Are you looking for a fully ready-to-move-in apartment in a new complex in Alanya? Imagine you only need to bring a suitcase with your personal belongings. Everything else is already waiting for you here. And all this for the price of only 75,000 euros. This is your ideal 1+1 apartment in a new complex built in 2022. Let's go inside. We're greeted by a bright living room combined with an American-style kitchen. The total area of the apartment is 50 square meters. All the furniture and appliances you see are already included in the price. From the living room, we access a spacious south-facing balcony. Just look at this view. The cozy bedroom is fully furnished and ready for your comfortable rest. The bathroom is equipped with modern plumbing and convenient storage spaces. But the main advantage of this offer is the 5-star hotel amenities. At your service are outdoor and winter swimming pools, a fitness room, a sauna, hammam, children's playground, and a 24/7 video surveillance system for your safety. A ready-to-move-in apartment in a new complex with gorgeous infrastructure at a great price. Offers like this go very quickly. Don't miss out your chance. Write to us right now on WhatsApp to get detailed information and arrange a viewing. The link is in the description.